Hi, good morning. Happy Monday. It's your morning Monday motivational moment. So I wanted to leave you with the word think, or maybe start you with the word think. Have you heard of the acronym THINK? Well, think is this maybe rules you can apply to your home, to your work, but most of all applying for you. Think. T stands for, is this true? Is it helpful? Is it inspiring? And is it necessary, and is it kind? So think about that. Any conversation that you're having, either with yourself, someone else at work, your family member, think about think, T-H-I-N-K, the acronym, right? Is this true? Is this helpful? Is this inspiring? Is this necessary? And is this kind? So I wanted to leave you with that this week as we start your Monday. Let's start with an amazing way, a different way of looking at things. So once we start to change how we're speaking to ourselves, the whole world around us is going to change as well. So I'm going to leave you with think. Is it what? T-H-I-N-K. Is it true? Is it helpful? Is it inspiring? Is it necessary? And is it kind? So think about that for the rest of the week. Have an awesome week. And I so look forward to next week for your morning, your Monday morning motivational moment. Have a good one. See ya.